retreat, Lanka declares state of emergency as economic crisis deepens. The Sri Lankan government has declared a state of emergency as the country's economic crisis deepens. The move gives the government sweeping powers to crack down on protests and dissent. Russia-Ukraine war. Heavy fighting continues in eastern Ukraine. Heavy fighting continues in eastern Ukraine, where Russian forces are trying to take control of the Donbas region. Ukrainian forces are putting up fierce resistance, but they are outnumbered and outgunned. China's economy slows in second quarter. China's economy grew by 0.4 in the second quarter, the slowest pace in over 2 years. The slowdown is due to a number of factors, including the ongoing trade war with the United States and the government's efforts to reduce debt. North Korea fires suspected ballistic missile. North Korea has fired a suspected ballistic missile into the sea. The launch comes as the United States and South Korea are holding joint military exercises. Hurricane Elsa weakens to tropical storm. Hurricane Elsa has weakened to a tropical storm as it moves over Florida. The storm is still expected to bring heavy rain and flooding to the state. Heat wave continues in Europe. A heat wave is continuing in Europe, with temperatures in some countries reaching record highs. The heat wave is causing widespread disruption, including power outages and wildfires. Wildfires rage in California. Wildfires are raging in California, with more than 100,000 acres already burned. The fires are threatening homes and businesses and have forced thousands of people to evacuate. Monkeypox outbreak spreads to new countries. The monkeypox outbreak has spread to new countries, including the United States, Canada, and Australia. The World Health Organization is warning that the outbreak could become a global health emergency. It's gun violence in us. 10 people killed in mass shooting. 10 people were killed in a mass shooting in Buffalo, New York. The suspect, who is white, is accused of targeting a supermarket in a predominantly black neighborhood. COVID-19 cases continue to decline. COVID-19 cases are continuing to decline around the world. However, the World Health Organization is warning that the virus is still a threat and that people should continue to take precautions. And climate change report code red for humanity. A new report from the United Nations has warned that climate change is a code red for humanity. The report says that we need to take urgent action to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, or we face catastrophic consequences. Pope Francis apologizes for Catholic Church's role in residential schools. Pope Francis has apologized for the Catholic Church's role in residential schools in Canada. The schools were set up to assimilate Indigenous children into Canadian society, but they were often abusive. Elon Musk agrees to buy Twitter for $44 billion. Elon Musk has agreed to buy Twitter for $44 billion. The deal is expected to close later this year. South Korea's new president takes office. Yoon Suk-yeol has taken office as South Korea's new president. He has promised to take a tougher stance on North Korea and to improve the economy. Sri Lanka's prime minister resigns. Sri Lanka's prime minister, Ranil Wickremesinghe, has resigned. He stepped down amid growing protests over the country's economic crisis. These are just a few of the news.
Become a subscriber and get exclusive access to our content. We're more than just a channel, we're a community. Subscribe and join us on the journey. Thanks for watching.